Hi everyone again. So here's the homepage for my Humanizing Sandbox course. I have in the very top aspect of the homepage a link to complete the Getting to Know You survey. So if I just click on that, it'll go to the actual quiz if I was actually a student. So I guess I could do the student view. Let's see what that would look like here. Perfect. And then we'll go take the survey. And this is just to say, hey, I'm here. I want to get to know you a little bit better. So we click on take the survey. And then if I just scan down, you'll be able to see a lot of the questions here. The two questions that I like, because these are all just generic, what do you want to be called? How can I get in contact with you? But the questions that I always find most interesting are, I think it's question 9. What do you like doing for fun? And what are your hobbies? And then why are you taking this course? Is it a prerequisite or is it just because you're interested in anatomy and physiology? Do you want to go into the medical field later? Um, so that is my survey. I'm going to leave the student view, leave page, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.